Hello students, now today we start our lesson number 12, The Pie and the Tart, which is written by Herb Chester Mann. Now this one is a humorous plays about two thugs of Paris, Pierre and Jean. Now both of them are suffering from cold as well as hunger, and they make a plan to trick Walter, an owner of a cake shop. First they manage to rob Walter and his wife Marion of an eel pie. Although Jean receives a nice thrashing at the hands of Walter, yet in half an hour's time Pierre succeeds in tricking Walter once again and takes away with their tart too. Students, this is a story. This is a one-act play drama, and in your exam, 5 marks question comes from that type of dramas. So there are 4 characters in this drama. Pierre and Jean, these are vagabonds, means thugs of Paris. Walter, a pastry cook or a owner of a cake shop. Marion is Walter's wife. Now the scene starts. The scene is laid outside Walter's cake shop in Paris. The time is the middle of the 15th century. The act could be played on a curtained stage with one door. Back center, the only furniture is a bench. Right, Jean and Pierre are discovered. The former seated on the bench in an attitude of extreme dejection. The latter pacing up and down, blowing on his fingers. Both must indicate that they are cold and hungry. So this one is what scene is created in the stage. It is present here. Now I summarize the drama to you. The story of the drama is: Jean and Pierre are two thugs in Paris. Now both of them are suffering from cold and hunger. Pierre fears that he would freeze if he stops walking, and Jean is sitting down. In order to have some food, Pierre knocks at the door of cake shop. Now Mr. Walter, the owner of the shop, comes out and says that his wife has gone out and he has nothing to give him. So after this, Jean goes to the same door and knocks. Now Marion, Walter's wife, comes there and says that her husband has gone out, hence she has nothing for him. Now Walter is planning to go to dine with the mayor. He asks his wife to send the eel pie through the messenger. Jean hears this conversation. Pierre decides to act as the messenger and gets eel pie from Marion. Now soon after, Walter returns home hungry because the mayor had gone out. Here Jean and Pierre, on the other hand, enjoyed the eel pie. Now the Pierre needed one more pie. Now he had seen a tart on a shelf of the shop. So in order to get that too, he makes another plan and knocks at the door. Now Marion opens the door. Jean says to her then Walter has sent him to carry the tart, but Marion calls Walter. Now he comes out and starts beating him. Jean says Pierre is the real culprit. Pierre comes there. Walter seizes him by the collar. Pierre tells Walter as a false story, and thus by a trick Walter once again is deceived by the two thugs. So students, this story is about the hunger of Jean and Pierre, and to stop their hunger or to satisfy their belly, they making a plan to thug the Walter and his wife Marion. So you have to read this drama and all the conversation of Jean and Pierre, Walter and Marion. So you understood it all more clearly. Here this one is the drama.